First, let's see how to copy a profile link on mobile. It's really simple. Open the SoundCloud app and go to the profile you want to copy. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Just press Copy Link. And that's it. You've got the link copied on your mobile device. Now, let's move on to the desktop. On desktop, you have a few options to copy a SoundCloud profile link. For the first option, go to the profile page and press the Share button located below your header image to the right. From there, you can copy the link. You even have the option to shorten the link. For the second option, simply go to the profile page and copy the link directly from the address bar at the top of your browser. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to easily copy a SoundCloud profile link on both mobile and desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.